everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In this video I would like to talk about some sunscreen, or you can call it a sunblock, that I use for my extremely oily skin. So over the past 15 or 20 years I've tried many sunscreens for my extremely oily skin, and these are the favorite ones that I have so far. So for number one, I would like to talk about this one here. It's the XSY. This is a Korean product, and I have been using this for the past, I would say, a few years, 2 years at least, and I love this product. And the good thing is, since I have a Costco membership, I order from Costco Next. They have a bunch of Korean skincare over there as well. So if you guys don't know about it, you have Skin Squad and a bunch of other sites where you can get all these sunscreens, right? So I don't remember exactly which website this one is on, but definitely it's there. If you go to Costco website, then you'll definitely find this XSY. So if you guys have extremely oily skin like I do, then this is the one to go for. It does leave a little white cast, but it is very good. It will not it feels like pretty dry. It's not oily. So yeah, this is a very good sunscreen for your oily skin. It has SPF 50, as you can see over here. So the next one I love is this Japanese sunscreen that that's here. I think it's called Biore. Yeah, that's what I called. And recently I noticed that in Costco you get this in bulk in 3 pieces. It's a pack, so it's very good. It's a good deal. Like, I think it was only like $35 or so. I think I saw that online. But yeah, go check it out, and it's a very good deal. It's a Japanese sunblock, and this one is very lightweight. It does not feel like you're wearing a sunblock, or it does not leave any white cast. And this is my number one as well. Actually, both of these are my favorite ones. So like I said, this is one of my favorites as well. So these two are my number ones. Right, and this one is the one that I recently tried. Sorry about that. I got from Costco again, and this is also a Korean product. This is very good as well. It's very watery, and yeah, but this is a new addition to my sunblock. And so far, if I run out of these two, then I wear this. Otherwise, I just switch onto these 3 every now and then. But like I said, my favorite ones are these 2, and I'm going to show you guys real quick the consistency or the look feel of these sunscreen. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the consistency of this one first. So you see here, this is I'm running out of this one, as you can already see, but I just wanted to show you this is the consistency of this sunblock here, and it is amazing. Let me zoom it for you guys. See that? And it blends really well with your skin, just like that. Yeah, this is how it looks, and does not leave any white cast on your skin. As you can see, it's very liquidy, and yeah, it's very nice. It's just one of my favorites. Like I said, it's my number one. So yeah, this is how it looks, and it blends really well. It absorbs into your skin like in seconds. And sorry about my background noise, my boys are playing. Okay, so this is the other one. That's my favorite. But like I said, this is not the same as the other one. Okay, so this one, if you see, it's a little heavy. I'm just gonna put a little bit of it, and if you see, this one has it's a little thicker than the other one. It's not like so liquidy, and it does leave a little white cast. If you see here, it does leave a little bit, but then what happens is, as it blends on your skin, especially under makeup, you will not notice anything. It's not like Neutrogena, because I have used Neutrogena before, and I used to do that for a long time, but then it just didn't work for my oily skin, and it used to give me teary eyes. So it used to burn my eyes so much, and these, they don't burn your eyes. And this one, like I said, it is the best. If I had to pick like between these two for makeup, especially if you're going out, then I would pick this. And your skin, it does not shine as much as when you use the other one. So I normally go for this one whenever I'm going out, but I do this one too. But like I said, this one, like, it's very good under the makeup. So if you have extremely oily skin like I do, then please go for this one, the XSY. It's amazing. All right, last but not least, this one, Wellage, I think that's how it says. So this is more like a moisturizer slash sunscreen as well. And in fact, this one too, you can use as a moisturizer and sunblock both. I wouldn't suggest this one because this one is not as moisturizing. It's just more like a sunblock. But these two are very it's very much like moisturizer. So yeah, so let me just this and this is pretty much very similar in terms of the consistency of, so it's very liquidy if you see. Yeah, this is how it looks. And this one is the thinnest so far, but if you see, this one is also not bad and does not leave any white cast. So if you see that, it blends really well with your skin. You see that? Yeah, it is amazing. And this is my newest addition. And again, these all of these you can find these in Costco website, not in Costco Direct, but then Costco Next, right? So yeah, so this is it. So these are my favorite sunblock for my extremely oily skin. And if you guys want, I can show it on my face as well. I just thought maybe to try it out, showing my product. And if you don't believe, I can do like a not 24 hour, but like, let's say a 10-hour test, like an experiment, showing you guys how much after, at the end of the day, how it looks. I can show you guys, but you just have to let me know, because I wasn't sure if a lot of people would be interested in that one. So yeah, that's about it. So let me know if you guys want more review for these three sunblocks. And like I said, I have extremely, I don't have acne, but I have extremely oily skins and big pores. So I have always struggled to get the best sunblock, and I'm so glad I found especially these two, because these are my favorites. Like I said, this is just a new addition, but at least I found this one too, right? So yeah, let me know if you need more review. And I do have like other skincares that I use for my melasma. I have dark spots from sunburn, so I do use a lot of products. I've been struggling with dark spots for a long time, and I don't think it's gone like a lot better, but it's still, I have been trying to do a lot of skincare for the past 4 years. So yeah, let me know. All right, that's it for this video, and I'll be back with another. If you have any requests on skincare, normally I don't do skincare. I do like other household reviews, you know, the vacuum cleaners and all that stuff, but this is my first one. So hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this, or if this was helpful. And yeah, we'll be back with another review video. See you. Bye.